Good Wednesday morning mga amici. Welcome back to my channel, John Can Cook Kitchen. Our menu for today is one pan egg toast recipe. This is originally a Korean recipe, but syempre my version is Italian and Filipino style. Parang pareho lang din but slightly different dahil sa mga sangkap. For us Pinoys, these recipes are good for breakfast and merienda. But for others, like here in Italy, these recipes are perfect for lunch and dinner or even for their aperitivo. Ang mga Italians kasi they only eat something light and sweet for breakfast like cookies and biscuits with their coffee and tea. So let's start. Here are our ingredients. After na may prepare natin separately yung mga ingredients for our Italian and Filipino one-pan egg toast recipe, simulan natin by cracking our tatlong itlog, lagyan ng konting asin at ating iset aside. Hatiin natin yung dalawang loaf bread, 2 slices for each recipe yan. Slice natin ang mozzarella and hotdog. Let's go ahead and heat our pan and let's start cooking. So, una nating gagawin ang ating Filipino style one-pan egg toast recipe. Maglagay tayo ng olive oil, cooking oil, or kahit butter sa ating preheated pan. Yun, maparami. Binawasan ko yun. At ating iprito ang ating hotdog. Set aside muna natin ang ating hot dogs and now, tsaka natin ilagay yung half ng ating binating mga itlog sa same pan at ipatong sa dalawang side ang ating loaf bread slices habang hindi pa fully set ang ating beaten eggs. Pag nag-set na yung itlog ay ating flip over and then fold natin yung mga eggs sa sides nito. para ma-form natin yung whole loaf bread. Next, arrange na natin ang ating hotdog slices, cheese, tomatoes, lettuces, optional yung mayonnaise at ketchup. And then, fold natin yung one side ng loaf bread on top of the other. And yun, ang ganda na ng ating Filipino style one-pan egg toast recipe. Same procedure with our Italian version, but we will use Italian ingredients naman. Ang ginawa kong palaman ay salami cuts, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, daccharini tomatoes, and basil leaves. Pareho lang masarap to mga michi. Try nyo rin. Grabe ang busog-lusog recipe ito mga michi. At para kompleto ang ating meal, gawa tayo ng 2 ingredients fruit smoothie. Saging at peras lang plus tubig. Ganyan talagang smoothie ko, yung fruits na mismo and then tubig lang. And there you are, no milk, no sugar, no yogurt, puro lang talaga. And we are all set, mga amici and mga friends. At tavola, manchamo, mangantayon, kain na po tayo. Maraming salamat sa laging panunood sa John Can Cook Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao!